Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can overview an appraisal order details and download an appraisal order form. To do so, we need to click on the submitted appraisal order, and you can overview the details of the appraisal order on this page. So over here, you can see the order information, the due date, the fee, the property details, the additional context, and the platform information. If you want to download this appraisal order, you can click on this download button and it will download the appraisal order. Once downloaded, you can overview that appraisal order, downloaded appraisal order form. And moving back to this specific page, you can see that this is on submitted status. And you can even download the documents if there are any, and you can also upload any document if you want to. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.